How to use a McDonald's gift card. How to use a McDonald's gift card in McDonald's app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you why McDonald's gift cards cannot currently be used within McDonald's mobile app and how to use them at physical locations instead. So first of all, simply log into your McDonald's application, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So there's a turnaround way that you can head over to more over here, and then you can click on promo codes over here. So if you have any promo codes, you'll be able to type that over here, and then you will unlock numerous offers. But you cannot use that offer within the application. What you can do is that you can use that in drive-thru or in the McDonald's restaurant. You can show that code to any employee. They're going to scan it, and then they will cross-check that with their system, and then they will offer you the discount. So you can simply head over to any of the McDonald's franchise you have near to your home or anywhere you want to go, and simply show them that code over here, and then they can scan that code and then they will give you the discount. So that is basically how you can use a McDonald's gift card in McDonald's app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.